back mga kabalen at nagbabalik po muli ang ating Delta Cup for our halftime report. Knowing that both teams are in bracket A and Angeles City is the #1 spot, medyo nahihirapan sila for the first half. I asked Coach John, their head coach, kung ano ang nangyari at paano sila makakabawi for the remaining quarter. Breaks of the game, slow start at medyo matatamlay ang mga bata. Pero this quarter, i-work hard pa din namin to win this game. Pero this MABALACAT team, which is in the #8 spot, ay umaarangkada at kahit nakulang sila ng star players sa trapping ng kalaban sila matatalo, sabi ni Coach Roland Pascual. Kaya their adjustments for the 2 quarters ay lalo pa nilang patitibayin. Back to you, Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. Is there a very good adjustment para dito sa parehong koponan as we are tied here at 35. Angeles City Red Warriors kontra MABALACAT City. Ako pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Penelope Wilhelmina. And again here, our halftime highlights. The very aggressive Benson Lescano guy there. Another three-point shot there para dito. Kay Sam De Jesus, of course, the assist from Kid Estalilia. Another assist there by Estalilia to Martinez. A good point guard, a good power forward. Kid Estalilia is an all-around guy para dito sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors. Kaya nahabol nila dito ang kalamangan ng MABALACAT kanina. As their halftime statistics, field goals para dito. Mas lamang dito ang MABALACAT City with 43% on our free throws. Mas lamang naman dito. Ito ang ating Angeles City Red Warriors when it comes to rebounding. Mas lamang dito ang ating MABALACAT 30-15. On the assist, 14-12. MABALACAT with 14 and 12 assists para dito sa ating Angeles City Red Warriors. Our leading scorers, itong si Sam De Jesus with 11. Zon de Guzman with 8 points. And surprisingly, Kid Estalilia with only 4 points. At para sa panig ng MABALACAT City, we have here Manalo with 9. 8 for Lescano. And 5 for the point guard, Joff Dizon. As we are now back here at the third quarter of our ball game, or second half, let's see kung paano makaka-keep up itong dalawang koponan sa parehas nilang aggressiveness style with Benson Lescano checks in para dito sa ating third quarter. Together with the all-around guy, Kid Estalilia to Rojas. That three-point shot from Rojas. The first basket para dito sa ating second half care of VJ Rojas. Balik dito ang bola sa MABALACAT. Basangan. Basangan to Manalo. Manalo to Basangan. Back to Joff Dizon. Joff Dizon for 3. No good. With our foul. Para dito kay Sam De Jesus. As you can see here, head coach Johnson Ocampo. Napayuhan itong si Sam De Jesus. That pass from Estalilia to Rojas. That three-point shot para dito sa simula ng ating third quarter. What a basket para dito kay VJ Rojas at sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors. At that first basket is good para dito kay Joff Dizon, ang point guard netong MABALACAT City MCG Cares. 1 out of 3 para dito kay Joff Dizon. 38-36 with 9 minutes and 32 seconds. A lot has already happened para dito sa nakalipas na 28 seconds nitong ating third quarter. As a 3-1 run para dito sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors. Estalilia passes it. Jacob Baloria. That Zon de Guzman rather knocks another three-point shot here. A 6-1 run. Let's see what will MABALACAT do. They can go here for a three-point shot, but they can still go here for a quick 2. For them to be able to keep up sa kalamangan nitong Angeles City Red Warriors as etong si Rainier Basangan knocks a three-point shot in there. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Angeles City. Estalilia. De Guzman. De Guzman to Rojas. Almost a steal there for Rainier Basangan. Almost a good putback there para dito kay Sam De Jesus. And he draws a foul in there. take a look at that pass of Rojas to Rainier Basangan. Look at that shot. Walang pag-aalinlangan, walang pagdududa. He found the bottom of the net in there, knocks that three-point shot. As the first free throw is good para dito kay Sam De Jesus. Second free throw is no good, but the rebound there by Sam De Jesus. Balik kay Sam De Jesus. Sam De Jesus cooks a three, no good. Rebound dito ni Nico Tipino. Tipino, balik dito. Edge off Dizon. Another three-point shot there, in and out. But a foul there against Genriv Manalo. An inbound para dito sa panig ng Angeles City. 8 minutes and 7 seconds. De Guzman to De Jesus. To Estalilia. Back to Rojas. Rojas for three. Ang layo nun. It reminds me of Stephen Curry, of course. Sino pa ba ang tumitira ng malayo? The all-time favorite idol of the NBA. Parang babawi dito ng 3 points. Itong si Dizon. Dizon passes to Tipino. Dizon trying. Tipino, jumper. It's good for Nico Tipino after the 3-point shot nito ng Angeles City Red Warriors. Estalilia trying to make a play in here. Oh, nice pass there by VJ Rojas to Sam De Jesus. Libre, and that jumper is good for Sam De Jesus. Isang bagay na dapat ingatan nitong MABALACAT City is to free up itong si Sam De Jesus As that 3-point shot is no good para dito kay Geoff Dizon. Geoff Dizon and this guy, Rojas from Angeles City, they're very much familiar pag nakatalikod sila at that pass from Rojas to Estalilia. Estalilia to Sam De Jesus, libre, knocks a jumper in there. As a bonus free throw para dito kay Genriv Manalo. After that contested block nito ni Sam De Jesus sa kanya. Out of 2 para dito kay Genriv Manalo. Pero nakuha dito ni Nico Tipino. Tipino against De Jesus. Dizon on a drive. No. Pinasa niya yon. Here Tipino. Contested by Kid Estalilia. No good. Kuha dito ni Paul Agman. Paul Agman to VJ Rojas. To Sam De Jesus dapat. Pero nakuha dito. Neto ni Benson Lescano. What a move there by Geoff Dizon. Walang pagdududa. Even though meron siyang mas matatangkad na defenders in front of him. 6 minutes and 32 seconds. 47-41. Anim ang kalamangan dito ng Angeles City Red Warriors. At that first free throw is no good para dito kay Geoff Dizon. Oh, 1 out of 2 for Geoff Dizon. 47-42. 6 minutes and 30 seconds still in favor of Angeles City Red Warriors. Estalilia. Estalilia, what a move there by Kid Estalilia. He made his teammates na ma-screen yung mga defenders netong MABALACAT for him to be able to put that beautiful drive. As that jumper is no good for Nico Tipino. But a ball out of bounds dito sa kamay ni Paul Agman. So take a look here. Estalilia. What a nice move there. Parang nakaya pang magkape ni Kid Estalilia doon So ginawa niyang move there. Mid-air. It's always like this for Kid Estalilia. Not a good start, not a good first half. But then he's trying to keep up dito during the second half of the ball game. For the majority na na-cover ko, itong Angeles City Red Warriors. There's a foul there against JD David against Kid Estalilia. Pero challenge siya dito ni Coach John Ocampo. I think he wants this foul to be upgraded. As here, nandito sa likod ko, the coach of Luwed 1 Pampanga and Coach Benji Navarro together with Coach Jonathan Buwan, supporting, of course, his Luwed 1 boys here, Kid Estalilia. Sayang nga lang, wala dito si MJ Elospa at itong si JP Malyari. As we have here a review, 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining, 49-42. A 7-point advantage para dito sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors. As Rainier Bansangan,
silence and successful.
I believe gusto kasing ipaangat na ito ni Coach John Ocampo into an unsportsmanlike foul, but no, it's just a holding foul against Rainier Basangan. Sorry move there para dito kay Kid Estalilia. Manalo passes it. Balik dito ang bola kay JD David. 3-point shot there, no good. But a foul there to the side of MABALACAT. Ito si Rainier Basangan. An inbound for the side of Angeles City. Kid Estalilia again. Estalilia goes to Rojas. What will VJ Rojas do? Nice pass there to Sam Jesus. Estalilia libre. What will he do here? Nice pass there para kay Sam Jesus. John Mart de Guzman, rather. Kakamukha kasi sila pag nandito ka sa point of view ko eh. Nandito ka sa gitna. So take a look here. That pass from Kid Estalilia. Kita-kita niya dito na libre. Etong si John de Guzman. At meron pang bonus free throw. Itong si John de Guzman. A great eye for Kid Estalilia. No wonder. This is one of the players of Coach Jonathan Buwan for Luwed 1 Kapampangan. I'm so excited to see him again playing under the jersey of Luwed 1. Take a look back here. Here, the aggressive guy, Venson Lescano. It's no good for Venson Lescano. But a bonus free throw is awarded to him. So take a look on that replay. A nice move there for Venson Lescano. Of course, there are two defenders para dito sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors. Of course, if you're Angeles City, you have to stop this guy, Venson Lescano. You have to match his aggressiveness inside the court. As 1 out of 2 para dito kay Venson Lescano. Estalilia once again to John de Guzman. De Guzman to Sam De Jesus. Estalilia to BJ Rojas. Libre. That 3-point shot, no good now for BJ Rojas. Almost. Oh, but Sam De Jesus able to put the ball back to his hands now. What a nice pass there by Kid Estalilia to Sam De Jesus. What a great eye for this kid, Estalilia. As I have been saying all the time, an all-around guy here for head coach John Ocampo, a very lucky guy. A very lucky coach, actually, to have Kid Estalilia on your team. Oh, a nice block there para dito kay Ramil Balantad. And an easy layup there para dito kay VJ Rojas. Venson Lescano. He was able to be stopped in itong Angeles City. But take a look here. Almost a nice block there para dito sa side ng Angeles City with Balantad. And a very good decision here for their coach Omar Pascual. Coach Johnson Ocampo rather. Hugutin itong si Balantad to defend this aggressive guy. Venson Lescano of MABALACAT. His free throw is awarded here to Kim Arcilia. Three minutes and 12 seconds remaining. One out of two para dito kay Kim Arcilia. John Martinez checks in again for this ball game. I can see here the usual starters for head coach Johnson Ocampo. Estalilia passes to Rojas. Rojas, what a dish for VJ Rojas. A three-point shot there. A 15-point lead para dito sa panig ng Angeles City from being behind by 8 points. Now able to pop up the lead to 15 points. Nice block there by John Martinez. Take a look here at the replay. Estalilia to VJ Rojas. Looking down on the line and knocks a three. A steal there para dito kay John Martinez. Rojas. Rojas to Estalilia. No to Sam De Jesus. Almost a basket para dito kay Sam De Jesus. But he was still awarded by a free throw in here. This Angeles City Red Warriors team, they always started, majority of their games, they always started a nice first quarter or first half rather, but then they were able na nagsastruggle sila at the third and fourth quarter. But now, it's a different Angeles City that we are seeing, mga kabalin. It's a very much tougher. That heartbreaking loss, talagang nag-init itong Angeles City Red Warriors to bounce back. It's another steal there. VJ Rojas and Estalilia. And Estalilia on an easy drive there. 2 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Lumobo sa labing. As we take a look here at our replay muna. That pass to Estalilia. An easy basket for Estalilia. No help. Walang duda na. Napapasok yun. As time out on the floor, 17 na. Ang point advantage dito. Netong Angeles City Red Warriors, 2 minutes and 7 seconds, 61-44. As we are still live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga, seeing the fans, supporters, family, and whatsoever of this Angeles City Red Warriors and MABALACAT City MCG cares. As here, talking back again, Venson Lescano. His field goal is not on point for today, for this quarter rather, but now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, for her report for Zenriv Manalo of MABALACAT City MCG Cares. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. 9 points, 6 rebounds, 2 steals ang nagawa na nito ni Zenriv Manalo. According to Coach Roland Pascual, minotivate daw nila ang mga players bago magsimula ang laro. Kaya tumatak ito sa mga players, lalo na kay Manalo, dahil maganda ang nilalaro nito ngayon. Despite na wala ang mga star players nila, just give your best. Yun ang magpapanalo sa atin. Back to you, Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ, as you mentioned right there. 9.6 rebounds for this Genrev Manalo. It could have been a double point na dito for Genrev Manalo if he knocks all his, what do you call this one, his free throw shots. But then, has been so dominant para dito sa panig ng MABALACAT City with the absence of their MJ Elospa and JP Malyari once again. But then, a good mindset. It's what have Coach Omar Pascual told them, and my experience on the sidelines, talking back mga kabalen, a good mindset always leads you to the win that you have been eyeing. It's always like that. Siyempre, lagi mo isipin, gusto mo manalo. As an easy basket there for Lescano, and then meron pa siyang bonus free throw in there. That pass from Tipinos to Lescano. Contested there. Neto, ni John Martinez. But going back to that report of MJ Raimundo, sabi nga dito ni Coach Omar Pascual, inayos lang talaga nila yung mindset netong team ng MABALACAT City MCG Cares. And one thing talaga is tumatak to sa isip ni Genrev Manalo, which is a good sign for him stepping up for this ball game in the absence of MJ Elospa and JP Malyari. And a steal there para dito sa panig ng MABALACAT. May langaw dito sa mic ko, ha? 34 seconds remaining, 61-48. Oh, nice pass there! A nice pass there by Ramil Balantad to John Martinez. So I've been talking about a different level of Angeles City Red Warriors ang na-witness natin dito. 8 seconds. What will Joff Dizon do? Dizon knocks it 3. No good for Joff Dizon. Oh, still there. Another 3-point shot there for Joff Dizon. Still no good. For the third quarter. Started this third quarter. We're tied at 35. Now, Angeles City Red Warriors, napalobo nila ang kalamangan dito sa 15. As we take a look here at the highlights by John de Guzman, a 3-point shot there for this kid, and another 3-point shot para dito sa panig ng MABALACAT City. And here, Estalilia, his assist dito kay Sam De Jesus, is giving a much better comfort para dito sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors, giving the trust na itong all-around guy nila na si Kid Estalilia. Assisting, rebounding, scoring. There you have it para dito sa panig. Kaya nga, 15 ang kalamangan dito ng Angeles City Red Warriors. 63-48 at the end of our third quarter. As we are now back here at the fourth quarter of our ball game. Take a look here again, our highlights by Sam De Jesus with already 14 points, 3 rebound, 1 steal. And we have to give credit to Kid Estalilia. All the assists and all the beautiful basket of Sam De Jesus, of course, came mula sa magandang assist nito ni Kid Estalilia. Actually, I have been saying this for quite a while last week. Ang go-to guy nito ni Kid Estalilia ay itong si Sam De Jesus. A different level of trust for his teammate, Sam De Jesus. Here, Manalo. No good. Here, Tipino. Tipino passes it to Dizon. Will Dizon put a 3 in here? No, Tipino. It's no good. Kind of short. But a put back there. Para dito kay Genrev Manalo. It's a good sign para dito sa panig ng MABALACAT City. 9 minutes and 26 seconds. 13 kalamangan dito ng Angeles City Red Warriors. That's what I am talking about Sam De Jesus. This guy's performance today is on a different level, as I have been saying. That Angeles City Red Warriors is on a different level of basketball for today. Estalilia there. Libreng-libre. An easy basket for Kid Estalilia. There might have been an injury para dito sa panig ng MABALACAT City Red Warriors. On my point of view, I have seen here etong si Lascan. No, rather. Dapa dito si Tipino, but then libreng-libre. Etong si Kid Estalilia para dito, but then here on the side etong si can't see. Etong si Jerlan Manaloto ng MABALACAT City na what do you call this nag-cramps. Di ko matagalog, di ko maalala yung Tagalog. Nag-cramps yung kanyang left leg dito. So take a look here. Pag-land niya doon, pahiga siya, and then there you have it. He felt cramps on his left leg. 68-50. 18 ang kalamangan dito ng Angeles City Red Warriors. 8 minutes and 48 seconds. Tipino to Geoff Dizon. Dizon. Back to Tipino. They're going to knock a 3 in here. Seems like bumalik dito sa labas. But then a steal for Kid Estalilia. Oh, nice fake there. Oh, a nice pass there, ah. Para dito. Kay Jacob Baloria. Balik kay Estalilia ang bola. Oh, a steal there. Almost a steal there. But Paul Lagman. Nakakuha pa ng foul dito si Paul Lagman against Nico Tipino. It's not impossible, rather. Kasi the height advantage nito ni Paul Lagman against Nico Tipino, if you're guarding Paul Lagman, he's a much bigger guy compared dito kay Nico Tipino. 1 out of 2 para dito kay Paul Lagman. Here, Dizon. Dizon will knock a 3. It's still no good. Nakuha dito ng Angeles City, ah. Kid Estalilia. Estalilia si Sam De Jesus. Almost an alley-oop play. But they managed to keep the ball at their hands. De Guzman. To Baloria. Baloria. Passes it to Estalilia. Estalilia. Nice pass there again to Sam De Jesus. But a sorry miss there. Para dito sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors. 7 minutes and 34 seconds remaining. 69-50. 19 ang kalamangan dito ng Angeles City Red Warriors. Estalilia. No good for Estalilia that time. Oh, but a swipe there para dito kay John De Guzman. And an easy one-hand basket para dito kay John De Guzman. 71-50 with 7 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. 21-point advantage para dito sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors. Dizon. Dizon on a drive. No good. De Jesus to Estalilia with only one guard. Passes to Jacob Baloria. And an easy basket there for Jacob Baloria. Look at this Angeles City Red Warriors team. They started the second half of this ball game with a good defense. And of course, nabuo na yung kumpiyansa nila that all their baskets ay makukuha nila counted dahil sa magandang pinakita nilang depensa na yun. That is what the coaches talks about a lot, eh. Unahin nyo lagi yung maganda yung depensa. Because magkakaroon kayo lagi ng kumpiyansa kapag alam nyo na maayos yung depensa ninyo sa kalaban ninyo. That's what I learned from the coaches when I was able to man the sidelines. As here, Baloria knocks a 3. It's good for Jacob Baloria. Also, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina nung second quarter. Huwag niyong hahayaan na makuha na itong Angeles City Red Warriors yung momentum nila. Because kapag nakuha na nila yan, alam nila that luck is on their side for this ball game. Magkakaroon na yan ng kumpiyansa sa kanilang sarili. We take a look that pass to Sam De Jesus to Jacob Baloria. Walang pag-aalinlangan doon si Jacob Baloria. Very, very composed Jacob Baloria for the 3-point shot there. Here, Kid Estalilia passes it to Tipino. That jumper is now good for Nico Tipino. 5 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. Oh, sorry, missed there for Sam De Jesus. Here, Nico Tipino. Tipino passes it. Oh, what a nice play there for the side of Mabalacat City. MCG cares. Pwede pa. Yun yung nasa mindset nila. Kaya pa to. We still have 5 minutes and 12 seconds. As long as there is time, pwede pa talaga. But then, after that assist neto ni Geoff Dizon, karamdam din siya ng cramps. Take a look here. That pass of Tipino to Dizon. Dizon to Tipino again. What a nice play there. Para dito sa dalawang player of Mabalacat City MCG cares. They make sure that it will be counted. No possession ang masasayang dito para sa Mabalacat City. So you can see here, Geoff Dizon, after being down in there, is walking perfectly fine. 76 rather, to 54 with 5 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. .22 advantage para dito sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors. An inbound for Angeles. Baloria. Edward Timbol checks in again for this ball game. Passes it to Timbol. Timbol, no good. Almost a steal there for Paul Lagman. But a foul there for Paul Lagman. Against the aggressive guy, Venson Lescano of Mabalacat City. As here, Henson checks in again for this ball game. 4 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. Nico Tipino. Let's take a look here. What will Mabalacat do? Briones checks in for the first time for this ball game. Briones. Pero naagaw sa kanya dito ni Paul Lagman. Henson to De Guzman. De Guzman, one-hand shot. In and out. Balik dito. Kay Charles Briones ang bola. Briones. What will Briones do? Passes it. Dito kay Genriv Manalo. Genriv Manalo. In and out. But he got a foul in there. A bonus free throw para dito kay Genriv Manalo. With 4 minutes and 11 seconds remaining. 76 to 54. Still a 22-point lead para dito sa Angeles City Red Warriors. Let's see kung kaya bang bawasan ito from the free throw line neto ni Genriv Manalo. It's a 1 out of 2 para dito kay Genriv Manalo. Out of 2 for Genriv Manalo. 20-point lead for the side of Angeles City. Henson. Henson to De Guzman. De Guzman, no good. But Sam De Jesus is there. Balik dito kay Henson ang bola. No Kid Estalilia for this ball game. Whoa! What a nice three-point shot there by Sam De Jesus. Sobrang kalmado na lang yung tira na yun ni Sam De Jesus eh. 79-56. Balik sa 23-point lead advantage. Etong Angeles City Red Warriors. With 3 minutes and 33 seconds remaining. Take a look here, that pass of Henson to Sam De Jesus. Sam De Jesus hooks a 3 in there. A nice dish for Sam De Jesus. Kalmadong kalmado from that 3-point line. It's Coach John Ocampo. Subs Lagman. Para dito, kay Ramil Balantad. No Paul Lagman, no Kid Estalilia for the remaining 3 minutes and 24 seconds of our fourth and final quarter. But you have here Sam De Jesus, you have here Edward Timbol, you have here Henson, you have here John De Guzman. That is no good para dito kay Descano, but then a put back there para dito kay Tipino. But a missed pass there para dito sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors. 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Oh, what a nice 3-point shot there by Nico Tipino. Labing-walo, but a backcourt there violation, I believe, in there. Para dito kay Sam De Jesus. Dizon. An 18-point advantage for Angeles City. Tipino. Tipino knocks a 3. Still no good. Tipino. To Dizon. Dizon libreng-libre. But nandun na si Timbol. Oh, a nice pass there. That jumper is no good para dito kay Rainier Basangan. Rainier Basangan being quiet in the third quarter of this ballgame. Henson. Almost a swipe there. Henson to Timbol. Timbol sees there. Jumper, no good. Pero nandun. Itong si Ramil Balantad. Biglang sumulpot dun eh. Kaya nagulat itong mga big guys na mabalakat eh. Sam De Jesus. No good para dito. Kay Edward Timbol. Geoff Dizon. Dizon gets a foul on that drive. He got a free throw para doon sa drive niyang yon. 1 out of 2 for Geoff Dizon. Must have been a very important free throw para dito sa panig ng Mabalacat City. Again, if this Angeles City Red Warriors win against dito sa ating Mabalacat City, mananatili sila sa ating top seed ng ating bracket A with 7 wins and 1 losses. Samantalang kung matatalo itong Mabalacat City ay mag-stay sila doon sa ating 7th seed na itong ating bracket A with 2 wins and 5 losses. As here, Balantad. Balantad against the 2 defenders. Tipino to Geoff Dizon. No good. Timbol right there. Timbol to Balantad. Kala ni Balantad dito, ita-drive na yun ni Timbol eh. 1 minute and 22 seconds. A lot can still happen para dito sa dalawang koponan. There's a saying in basketball, hanggat hindi nauubos ang oras, there's no sure winner. Unless that clock runs out of time. Basangan. To Dizon, Basangan. Dito. Tipino, libreng-libre. Tipino, no good. Almost a rebound there para dito kay Timbol. Manalo, still no good. Dito na si Timbol. Naagaw pa yun dito. Ni Rainier Basangan, Geoff Dizon. Na-foul there for Geoff Dizon. 50.4 seconds remaining. $17 advantage for Angeles City sa remaining 50.4 seconds remaining of our ball game. That free throw is good para dito kay Geoff Dizon. As 50.4 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter. 79-64, timeout on the floor. We're now back at 50.4 seconds remaining. Mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinag-sports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asha. As there are teams who already confirmed that they are joining our 23 and 19 under. Balantad, a miss pass there. As I was saying, Pampanga Delta, Luid 1 Kapampangan, Hassel Rising Suns, Parañaque Pelicans, and the new Camarines Norte team confirmed that they will be joining our Junior World Showcase. As an easy basket there for Genriv Manalo. Peña to Timbol, 21 seconds. And here, Henson is trying to waste time. I think we have a winner here. There you have it. And there you have it for our fourth game. Angeles City Red Warriors kontra dito sa ating Mabalacat City MCG Cares. A 14-point advantage win para dito kay Coach John Ocampo. What a ball game. What a start para dito sa Angeles City Red Warriors. From being on tied at 35 at the end of ating third quarter. At the end of our second quarter rather. Napalobo nila ang kalamangan into 18 points. Here again, 79-65. Angeles City Red Warriors won against Mabalacat City MCG Cares. They now remain at the first seed of our bracket A with 7 wins and 1 losses. At ngayon kasama ko na ang ating Delta Cup best player of the game, Kid Estalilia with 10 points, 2 rebounds, 12 assists, 4 steals. Kid, you didn't start good para dito sa ating sa first quarter, but then you finished good. You're not on only 10 points but at 12 assists. Ano yung nagpanatili ng composure mo dito sa pagkapasok natin ng second half?
Kailangan namin mag-start ng hard, mag-start ng strong kasi yung first half namin medyo mahina kami sa opensa, sa depensa. Yun lang sabi ng mga coaches namin, gawin namin yung defense, mapupunta sa offense.
Kid, one thing, your loss against Lubao, Level Up Lubao last game. What does it make you feel right now na nabawi nyo yung talo nyo dito last time?
Masaya, syempre. Yung mga pagkakamali namin nung natalo kami, na gawa namin maayos ngayon.
Now, Kid, I will give you the chance to greet all your family, friends, and to all the supporters of Angeles City Red Warriors.
Nagpapasalamat ako unang-una sa coaching staff namin, sa ECP, sa Team Angeles, kay Mayor, sa family ko, yung mga sumusuporta sa Angeles, sa teammates namin syempre, tapos yung mga family ko, ni Sir Family, Estalilia Family, si 30, yung mga kaibigan ko, sila Adrian, David, yung mga guys, yun lang.
Once again, Kid, congratulations. And now you're still remain on the top seed of our bracket A with 7 wins and 1 losses. Again, Once again, Angeles City Red Warriors win over Mabalacat City MCG Carriers with a final score of 79-65 with Kid Estalili, our best player of the game with 10 points, 2 rebounds, 12 assists, and 4 steals. For our coming up next is our main event, United Tomason Ballers kontra Fernandino ka, Kayabe ka. For MJ Raimundo and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho for your 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup, this has been Penelope Wilhelmina, and I'm saying that life is a better place to be when basketball came along.